Ever found yourself needing a little cash boost, like right now, and thought, man, if only I could just Cash App this loan? Yeah, we've all been there. Especially when you're staring down an unexpected bill, a surprise expense, or just that awkward gap between paychecks. You're thinking, Beforepay seems cool, but does it play nice with my Cash App? It's a valid question, right? Because let's face it, Cash App is fast, convenient, and probably already sitting right there on your phone. So, you've heard about Beforepay, the app that lets you access a portion of your upcoming pay early. You're picturing a smooth, seamless transfer straight into your Cash App balance. No fuss, no delays. Just instant access to those funds. But, is it really that simple? We need to dive into the nitty-gritty. Beforepay, like many similar services, operates on the principle of linking directly to your bank account. They need to verify your income and ensure they can retrieve the repaid amount on your payday. This is where things get a little tricky with CashApp. See, CashApp, while incredibly useful for peer-to-peer transactions and some direct deposits, isn't traditionally considered a primary bank account in the way that Beforepay needs. Beforepay needs to see your consistent pay history, the regular deposits that show you're a reliable borrower. They need that direct link to your main transactional hub. Now, you might be thinking, but I get my paychecks deposited into my Cash App. That's great, and many people do. However, the way Beforepay's systems are designed often necessitates a more traditional banking setup. They're looking for that established, consistent flow of funds through a standard checking or savings account. Think of it like this: Beforepay is a bridge. It needs solid, reliable anchors on either side to ensure the flow of funds is safe and predictable. CashApp, while versatile, sometimes doesn't provide the concrete anchor that Beforepay requires. This doesn't mean CashApp is bad or that Beforepay is inflexible. It's simply a matter of how these systems are built and the regulations they operate under. Financial services are complex, and they need to adhere to strict guidelines to protect both the user and the provider. So, to answer the burning question, while you might use CashApp for a lot of your financial activities, directly linking it as your primary account for Beforepay might not be possible. It's always best to check Beforepay's latest terms and conditions or contact their customer support because these things can evolve. They might have added features or changed their policies. Ultimately, it comes down to ensuring secure and compliant transactions. Beforepay wants to help you access your pay early, but they also need to do it responsibly. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.